What's up guys, we're back. So in today's video we have a new project, this Mercedes A220, and in today's video we're gonna do a full wrap for this one. This one is gonna be like the same color white with a color shift to pink. Okay, so this one is going to be amazing. So let's start with the project coming up next.
Jesus, my God, my King, forever, my God, my Lord, I'm yours forever. Jesus, my God, my King, forever, my God, my Lord, I'm yours forever.
Okay, cool. So today's project we have this Mercedes. This one is a A220 model. That's the model of the Mercedes. So we're gonna wrap this one in white with a color shift wrap. So it's gonna be white, but when the sun hits the wrap, it's gonna turn to pink. Okay, so this one is gonna look amazing. Okay, so let's start with this project. Probably the hardest part for this one to remove is gonna be the side mirrors, because these are here. I have to remove the panels. Door handles, no, they shouldn't be that hard to wrap. This one has an antenna. No, this one doesn't have antenna, so amazing. The roof is gonna be super easy. And remember, I have a training how to do everything. Okay, so in the training I show you how to do the templates for the emblems and badges. Okay, link on the description of the video down below if you want to learn how to do your own car wrap. Okay, so this one shouldn't be that hard either. So okay, so that's everything. So let's start with the project, and this one is gonna be super cool. Let's do it. Okay guys, we're ready to do the car. I'm gonna start with the hood, but I'm gonna apply tag reducer because this will help me when I'm wrapping the hood, because today we're gonna do Tinybot Vinyl. And this is the color, look at this. This one is white, so the car is gonna be still white, but with the sun this one it changes like a pink or purplish, something like that. But usually the glue for those materials are very strong, so for those kind of materials we have to use tag reducer, so it will reduce the glue. So when I'm lifting the material, it's not gonna be like too strong. It's not gonna be too hard to lift the material up. So let's start with the hood.
You're more close to me than air. Every guy, I wanna see your face. Nothing stolen, cause you're holding me out, wrapped in your embrace. Both things are gone and they gone though. I died to the past and the wrong though. You the love that I'm standing upon though. You my security, yeah. You so could save me when I never could. On my own, I was never good, yeah, I never had a clue though. Now you love making me new. Just teach me, I'll go back to school. As long as I run into you, going up is the way that we move. Jesus, my God, my King, forever, my God, my Lord, I'm yours forever. Jesus, my God, my King, forever, my God, my Lord, I'm yours forever. I get a cross on my neck, look, crescent these demons like Westbrook. Why would I run for a check, huh? I'm just gonna kick out the best next. This ain't my feeling, no checkbook. I'm just gonna stick to the textbook. Save my life and now I see something new. Don't let me run from you. You gave me everything. I know your love is true. Yeah, you're my resting place. I cannot leave your warm embrace. Heal my broken faith. You show me that there's a way. Jesus, my God, my King, forever, my God, my Lord, I'm yours forever. Jesus, my God, my King, forever, my God, my Lord, I'm yours forever. Jesus, my God, my King, forever, my God, my Lord, I'm yours forever. Jesus, my God, my King, forever, my God, my Lord, I'm yours forever. Looks like I'm on time. Just put the spirit in my words and watch the song fly. Jesus save me, I just came to lift him on high. You took my penalty when I was living offside, and now I'm in your kingdom, things been looking all bright. I put the truth inside the music so they get the message. I guess somebody gotta do it when the tunes are septic. Me and the team, we came to eat, we cooked the food and blessed it. No weapon form shall stand, just do like Ralph and wreck it. I ain't take the class, I clept it. I'm on a vibe, I checked it. They said to watch your step, but I've been up in heaven. No time for playing games, cause I know I can't play it safe with my ambition in the way. I try to keep it separate. I'm thinking less about getting money just to buy some clothes. I'm thinking less about building names that everybody knows. I'm thinking less about walking stages, playing sold out shows. I'm thinking everything we see that glitters isn't gold.
What else could I do but give my life to you when I don't understand it? God, you always keep me standing. Oh, you've been so good to me. God, you've been so good to me. Oh, you've been so good to me. God, you've been so good to me. You're a good, good God, you never fail me, no. Gotta keep my hands to the ceiling, knowing I could barely scratch the surface of how good you really been. The man I am is just a testament that you withstand. Turn your could to can, chug a choo-choo. Waddy Piper, God, with you I can. Got me marveled. In your grace, you can call me stand. Lift my praise high like a banner or a flag. Cause you my captain, you protect me from attacks. The greatest avenger, my protector, you are my dad. Closer than I know, you've never left me outmatched. Yet that's who you'll be until the end of time. Captivated by your glory, got me hypnotized. God, you by me by my bedside every night. With me when the sun's shining and it hits my eyes. No, you ain't tripping through any trials, so why should I? Remind my soul when it's down that you El Shaddai.
I know I ain't a victim and I ain't evicted. I win before the battle started cause I'm with the victor. He never leaves and now I know, so my perspective lifted. In every season or the storm, now my perspective shifted. I can't deny we gotta shine, we steady with the mission. I know that we can change the world, the Father's children gifted. Most of the folks I know been out here trying to play the system, but what was lost can't be recovered just by chasing riches. I learned to give your life for money really isn't a trade up. I seen God keep lights on without seeing a pay stub. Society tells us to lie about getting our cake up. I learned you might be called to do the thing you've been afraid of. The most beautiful part's my wife ain't involved any makeup, and growth needs wanting discomfort more than wanting to stay stuck. We're sons and daughters of the King, we've been born from the same blood, and I know life is best designed when we're lifting his name up.
What else could I do but give my life to you when I don't understand it? God, you always keep me standing. Oh, you've been so good to me. God, you've been so good to me. Oh, you've been so good to me. God, you've been so good to me.
You've been so good to me. You've been so good to me. You've been so good to me. I know you ran to me. I had to lose my life to find the one you handed me. Don't need the vanity, yeah. I just want your love.
Sorry, my battery died of the camera, so the only thing left is the bottom part and some edges on the bumper, and I just need to put everything back. So now let's see how the car looks outside. Let's do it. Alright guys, the car is ready. Look at the pink. Only when the sun reflects on the wrap it will turn to pink like this one, but the rest of the color it will be like a pearl white. So this was what the customer wants. She wants to keep the white. She loves the car in white, but she wants to have just a little bit of pink. So this is the wrap she wants. And it looks nice. That's cool. Look at that. So when when the car is in the shade, it's gonna look white, like this one. Look at that. It's cool. You can see the pink or purple in there. But let me know what you guys think. If you want to learn how to do this, I have the training. The link is on the description of the video down below if you want to get it. So remember to put the car in the sun for a little bit, and after that do a post heat. I already did a post heat, but I have to leave it in here, so if something left, I'm gonna use the heat gun to fix it before I return the car to the customer. Okay, but if you have any question, put in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this wrap. It's a color shift wrap. This brand is the Tinybot. Okay, so I've been testing a lot of brands. This is the Tinybot. Before I used the Vinyl Frog in my Supra, I'm using the Vinyl Frog. This one is nice too, but this one has a little bit more of orange peel. The Vinyl Frog is a little bit more shiny, okay, in my opinion. Okay, so it is nice, the color is very nice and very good, but this one, I don't know if you can see it, has a little bit of orange peel on this wrap. So Vinyl Frog is a little bit more shiny and less orange peel on the, like a Inostec 2. Okay, but if you have any question, put in the comment. I will try to answer most of them. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking the videos. Subscribe for more videos like this one. If you like the video, please like the video too. God bless you and see you on the next video. What's up guys, and this is the giveaway. This time we're gonna do it a little bit different because it's gonna take a little bit more time. Okay, so we're gonna have 3 winners for this giveaway. Okay, and the winners, the 3 winners, we're going to announce them on June 30 of this month. Okay, 3 winners on June 30 of this month. Okay, and the first camera we're gonna give is this one over here. That's the first camera. The second camera is this one over here. That's the second camera. And the third camera is this one over here. Okay, so it's gonna be 3 winners for this giveaway. On June 30 we're gonna announce the winners. Okay, so the rules are super simple. Okay, you have to be subscribed to this channel, Shine Gadget, and you have to put a comment on this video or any of the videos till June 30. Okay, you have to like this video or any of the videos till June 30, and on June 30 we're gonna announce the winner of the giveaway. Okay, this one is gonna be amazing. 3 winners, so 1 for each week, but we're gonna announce all 3 on June 30. All right, so thank you for watching. Good luck guys. Remember, like, subscribe and put a comment. Okay, and also one more very important thing, this is only for the USA. Sorry about the international subscribers, but this is only for the USA. Okay, thank you for watching. Good luck, God bless you, and see you on the next video.
I found out the gospel isn't really about what I want or what I done. It's way better than the things I set my eyes on. You kept it real with me, you been here since the mile one. Before the world you said I'm destined as your child. So wherever I run, let me walk along the path you put your light on. God, you see behind the faces that I tried on. Yeah.